I'm Danielle Sethi. I'm a vascular surgeon at CommonSpirit. There's a lot of reasons why I chose vascular surgery as my specialty. I find the pathology fascinating, and I really like the technical skill set that's needed to perform vascular surgery. But the main reason I chose vascular surgery is because of the long-term relationships I get to develop with my patients. When patients establish care with a vascular surgeon, it's not uncommon that they'll follow with that surgeon for the rest of their life, which is not always the case with other surgical subspecialties. And I think that's really unique with vascular surgery. And being able to operate on a patient and really improve their quality of life is very meaningful, and there's really no other feeling like it. What sets CommonSpirit apart as a healthcare system is their focus and dedication to the community. I would describe my approach to patient care as very comprehensive. It's very important to me to read the referral notes from the primary care doctor, take a full history, do a full exam, look at the labs and imaging, because I want to be able to take care of the patient as a whole. During a visit with me, a patient can expect to get a little freehand drawing of their vascular system. So I start by drawing out what the vascular system looks like normally, and then I draw out what the vascular system looks like in them and what the problem is. And then the third drawing is how I can fix it surgically. For patients to make an informed decision, I really want them to be able to understand what the disease process is and how we would fix it and what that involves. And so I think the drawing really helps them understand that. My favorite things to do outside of work include going to Red Rocks concerts and movie nights, going for long runs, and then on weekends I love to go hiking with my boyfriend and our dog Gigi.